Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass. Hello, little friends. How's the weather today? Let's look outside and learn together.
Yay!
It is sunny today.
Sunny.
The sun is shining bright.
I'm wearing my sunglasses. Let's play outside.
Can you say sunny?
Sunny.
Oh no, now it is rainy.
Rainy. I have my umbrella. Splash, splash in the puddles.
The rain helps flowers grow. What do we use when it rains?
An umbrella.
It is cloudy today.
I can't see the sun. The clouds are big and fluffy.
Sometimes cloudy days are calm and quiet. Can you point to the clouds? Whoosh! It is windy.
My hair is moving. Let's fly a kite.
The wind moves the trees and leaves. Boom, boom, now it is stormy.
Stormy. I hear thunder. The lightning is bright.
Storms can be loud and rainy. Is a storm loud or quiet?
Loud.
Look, it is snowy.
Let's make a snowman. I'm wearing gloves and a scarf.
Snow is cold and beautiful. Let's remember the weather. Sunny. Rainy. Cloudy. Windy. Stormy. Snowy. Every kind of weather is special.
What's the weather like where you live?